To buy a good Christmas present for your female crush, think about her interest. Try to choose something that you think she'll find interesting or meaningful. For example, if she's a gamer, you might get her a gift card to her favorite game store. If you're not sure what to buy for her, you can always make her a handcrafted present to give the gift of an extra personal touch. Or get her the gift of an experience you can share, like tickets to a game or a concert. Just be careful not to get her anything too expensive, since that could make her feel uncomfortable. Stay away from gifts that feel too personal too. For instance, steer clear of anything like lingerie, which might feel a little too intimate. Whatever you decide on, wrap it up nicely and give it to her in person. If she's okay with it, you can even give her a hug when you hand the gift over.